everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to discuss what hair dye I use, the hair coloring I use. I color my own hair at home and I use Madison Reed. And this is how it arrives to your house. I'm doing an updated video because I just changed colors. I used to be number 9, I think it was 9NA Pisa. But now I am number 10. Let me just confirm my color number for you here. I am doing 10 NVA in Aroma Blonde. So I went from Pisa to Roma. And so I thought this was a good time. I just did my hair so you could see. I am a natural brunette. That's why my roots are just a little bit darker. But I decided to go a little lighter, and by going lighter, it does lighten my roots a little bit more. I like the new color Roma, but I liked Pisa better. These hair coloring kits are $25, and if you sign up to have them automatically shipped to you, a subscription, then it drops the price a little bit. I think, I'm not going to tell you exactly because I could be wrong, but it is less. You do get it at a discount rate. And if you decide to sign up for the subscription, you can have it shipped as often as you wish. I go every 5 weeks, so it's every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 7 weeks, 8 weeks, however you want it sent to you, they will do that. So I just wanted to show you, it's really easy to do, and I have a little video I am going to insert right here showing you everything you get in your box. This is what you get when you get your Madison Reed kit. It comes in a box, in this box, and it comes with the instructions. So this has all the instructions inside. It also comes with the color. It's in here, and the activator. I got 2 samples of their Tame Color Protectant Smoothing Finisher. Yeah, got 2 of those, 2 samples. It comes with a cleansing wipe if you get it on your skin, a barrier cream to protect your skin. It comes with a sample of the shampoo and the conditioner. It comes with really nice gloves and a cap, because once you put it on, then you put your cap on while it's developing. So it's a little nicer than, excuse my broken fingernail, it's a little nicer than what you get, say, from L'Oreal or something like that. Let me open these up here. Okay, you get 2 sets of gloves because you use the gloves when you apply the hair color, and then you use the gloves when you remove the hair color. So you get 2 sets of really nice gloves. And the cap, I should have opened it too. Hold on. Okay, and this is the cap you put on. Just a standard, like a shower cap, like the ones you get at a hotel. So that is it. So I'm going to color my hair, and like I said, I went lighter this time. Last time I was a 9 NVA and it was Pisa, so I went 10, and I'm going to use Roma Blonde to help lighten my roots a little bit more. And I am just going to apply this onto my roots. There is not enough color in here to do my entire head because I have longer hair. So if you do have longer hair, you will need to buy an extra tube, not the whole kit. They do sell just extras if you have long hair, but I didn't purchase that. They have, if you go on their website, they have just the regular hair coloring. They have balayage. I mean, they have everything in there. Their shampoo is the best. I love their shampoo. You can buy just the shampoo. You can buy just the conditioner. You can buy the set of both. There are so many products in there. Even if you don't dye your hair, you don't color your hair, there's other products in there that you can use. there's glosses in there if you want. I do that sometimes. I'll order one of the glosses. You can get it clear or you can get it for blonde, brunette, redhead. And it helps to freshen up your color and help to freshen the shine. I purchase the glosses sometimes. I do have the subscription. The very first one I got for free from Madison Reed to test and do a video of. Now I do purchase it myself on my own. But I just wanted to show you that I have changed color. And let me tell you, it doesn't smell. When you buy a hair color, say at Walmart, the smell just is, makes your eyes burn. This has no chemical smell like that at all. It is actually, it's just pleasant. It isn't, there's no smell at all. And I do have a code down below. It will get you a discount, I believe. Yes, it'll get you a discount. And if you go over and use my code, then I do get a little something back. So I would appreciate it if you would, if you're thinking about trying it. But in this video, I have got a code for a free hair color kit, just like this. You get all the stuff I just showed you in the video for free. So I have 2 of these codes available. So if you want to try one of these yourself, just leave a comment down below and say, yes, I would love a free hair color kit. And I will pick 2 winners. I will put down below in the description on the date I will be choosing the winner, because I don't know what day I'm going to upload this video yet. So I'll put it in the description down below, the date when this will end. Whatever today is that you're watching this, the day that I release this video, it will be 1 week from today. It'll be 1 week. So that's when I end the giveaway, and I will pick 2 winners. And in order for you to win, I'm going to comment on your comment. So keep an eye out in your emails that you have a comment on your comment, because I will need your email address. And I don't want you to post it down below if you don't want to. Just leave a comment, and I'll comment on your comment. And that's how I'll choose. So, thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below, and I will try to answer for you what I can. I purchased this on my own. Like I said, they sent it to me once for free. So, yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll try to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. So, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you guys next time.